Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening stickies so you can create quick, persistent notes. Use Spotlight or the Applications folder to find it fast. Create a new note with Command-N and immediately pick a color and font size so the note stands out on your desktop. Once done, position the note where you need it. Drag the title bar to place it. Make sure to resize edges to fit content and use copy-paste for longer text to avoid typing mistakes. Now organize your notes so they're useful throughout your day. Resize and move them into a readable arrangement and stack higher priority notes where you'll see them first. Use rich text formatting to create headings, bullet lists, or inline links. This helps scannability and keeps action items clear. Once arranged, lock important notes or choose float on top to keep them visible over other apps. Make sure to rename or add a timestamp in the first line for quick context later. Finish by ensuring your notes are preserved. Stickies autosaves, but close the app after arranging to commit changes. If you want cross-device access, export notes as text or rich text and store them in iCloud Drive. Otherwise, rely on manual file backups. If something goes wrong, notes missing or corrupted, quit Stickies and restore the Stickies database file from your user library backup, then relaunch. If you still see issues, restart Mac OS and check disk permissions, because file-level conflicts are a common cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.